Welcome to Webby's Weekend Adventures, and it's a Wednesday.
On this weekend adventure, we noticed a rare summer swell on the forecast. Whether or not this was to be true, we had to go and find out.
Off to go and see what else we can find. Bit of a day of exploring. We're so psyched. No one around. Little waves. Bloody paradise.
After some fun little waves, we decided to try and find some clear water to have a spear. We found these beautiful bommies in nice shallow water that didn't have too much current. Well, that was a really enjoyable day.
One would say very, very successful day.
Very successful day. A few waves, a few fish, Weather's still not too bad. We're going to head home early today because it's got to pick the kids up from school. Nato's got fuck all to do, really.
Cruising.
But yeah, that was sick.
Nah, it was sick. I was frothing to come out, and you know, as we said, it's unusual to get waves here in January, and yeah, we didn't get done by any irukandjis either. And...
yeah, no crocodiles. Nah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.